about 1/3 my size. He must have wanted to pass me up, cause he kept on tooting his horn. I'll show him that a Cadillac is not a car to snort. Beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. I pushed my foot down to the floor to give the guy the shake. But the little mesh runner was right behind, he still had on his brake. He must have thought the car had more guts, just kept on tooting his horn. I'll show him that a Cadillac is not a car to store. Beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. My car went into passing gear and we took off with thrust. Soon we were doing 90, must have left him in the dust. When I peeked in the mirror of my car, I couldn't believe my eyes. The little mesh runner was right behind it, think that guy could fly. Beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep.
What if that guy in front of you?
Now we're doing 110, this certainly was a race. For run the passing caddy would be a big mistake. Like I just wanted to press me out, it's kept on tuning his horn. I'll show him that a Cadillac is not a car to store. Beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. And now we're doing 120 as fast as I can go. They'll run the alongside of me if we're going slow. They'll throw down this window and yell for me to hear. Anybody, how can I get this car out of second